My name is Mikhail. I am the 10th grade chemistry teacher at Abramson Sci Academy, part of Collegiate Academies. I'm here to talk about the lab that I'm going to do with my students. It's really cool because they get to burn things. So the setup is pretty simple. You have a beaker suspended with a thermometer in it, and that's going to be full of water. And then this other clamp down here, it has a free space. I'm going to get a metal skewer, stick it under the beaker, and skewer some cereal onto it. They light the cereal on fire with a lighter, and as it burns, it heats up the water in the beaker. And one 90-degree clamp, two 3-finger retorts, one of them to hold the beaker, one of them to hold the thermometer. You need a beaker and a thermometer. Not shown here, you'll need a metal skewer to hold the food. You need a scale to measure the weight of the food so you can check the nutritional facts. And you'll need a lighter to light the stuff on fire.
So sometimes teachers walk in and they're like, I'm trying to do a lab and I don't know what I need. And we're super stoked to help. And sometimes teachers walk in and they're like, I know exactly what I need, and I just walk them around and get them everything they need, and then they walk out and they do dope labs with their students. Whichever kind of teacher you are, we're super excited to have you here. Hooray!